Hello, very good morning, Prakash sir. And I am Suma Sridhar from Bangalore. And I'm a mindset coach, transformational coach, trainer, and motivational speaker. Welcoming you for my YouTube channel. And today we are discussing about goal setting and how important goal setting is in our life. So I would like to request from your side some inputs to share for our audience to understand better. And I am
Morning, Suma
introducing
ma'am.
thank you very much for coming here and spending time with me. And we have our guest, Prakash Tamankar sir. So he is an electronic and communication engineer serving in the industry over 2 decades almost, having a vast experience and also a Toastmaster, had been served as a vice president in Bangalore Toastmasters Club and in various around 54 clubs. So welcome to this show, sir. Very warm welcome
Thank
to
you.
you.
Thank you, Suma ma'am.
So I would like to ask you about how important are the goal setting plans, or how important in our life to set any goal or task.
They say if you do not have a goal, you do not know where you are going. And if you are not knowing where you are going, you can as well go anywhere. So we should start with identifying the destination we want and then, of course, enjoy the journey as we go along.
Would you like to share your experience in the industry? How did you come up and grew up in this way as a better version, and you are leading so many responsibilities in your sector?
I would say my goal was to become a better version of myself, as you rightly said, rather than reaching a target of becoming something in particular. So when you become better, obviously people look up to you for leading, look up to you to take certain responsibilities, and you grow along the way. The critical aspect is, can I do one thing different than what I did yesterday? And can I become someone better who can help others in my journey? That's what has been my goal throughout in general. Of course, there are other goals along the way, and we gather them, pick them, and then progress. And that's happening as we go along.
Thank you so much for your valid point. And I would like to ask you one more question. How a person can grow up in a better way in mentally, as per our knowledge as mental health. So how a person can grow by some of the best practices you want to give as a input.
The biggest problem I find is many times we try to compare ourselves with others. We say, I want to become like someone, or I want to take that position. That I find very difficult because that sometimes will lead to all the stress and the difficulties that you see. If you can define a goal for yourself, identifying your strengths and understanding what your weaknesses are, then it becomes much easier to attain those goals that you set out for yourself. So identify your strengths first, look at where you need to improve, and that's how I approach the whole problem. And then work with your strengths, the goal becomes easier to achieve.
And what one message would you like to give to the audience if they are really stuck in their journey, not able to find themselves, how they have to proceed in their life? Either it may be in career or it may be in the different field.
The most important aspect of a person is their confidence. They need to be confident about themselves. I had gone through a phase where I wasn't confident about what I was doing. I was many times questioning myself, am I doing the right thing? What is important is having that confidence. And once you get that confidence, the rest of the things will fall in place because you will start working towards your goals automatically. How would I get that confidence? Yes, when you are going through that difficult phase, easy for someone else to say just forget that and move ahead, but uh, it's something that as an individual anyone has to get over, and probably remembering some of the better times would get you that confidence back again. Watching those videos, watching those activities that you did in the past which where you succeeded, probably remembering them and going through them visually, mentally, would help you get back that confidence and get